Atlanta. The current... The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme northeastern Catoosa County in northwest Georgia, northern Murray County in northwest Georgia, northeastern Whitfield County in northwest Georgia, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Cohutta, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Varnell, Eaton, Dalton, and Chatsworth. Doppler radar has indicated location within the storm. Although current data does not indicate the existence of a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466. You can also tweet your report using hashtag GAWX.
At 8 p.m.